Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Praise and gratitude for the presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that I can be here to take part in the speech competition organized by IREC UGM. To the honorable judges and my beloved friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Fania Eva Emilia from 11 Senior High School Semarang. Time and health are two precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted. This pandemic makes me aware that time has more important value and impact on many things. For example, about the management of COVID-19 in Indonesia. So, in this time, I will deliver a speech on prioritizing vaccine distribution for the education sector to ensure faster recovery of the education system. During a pandemic like today, vaccination is necessary to prevent the risk of contracting COVID-19. Vaccines are biological preparations used to produce adaptive immunity against certain infectious diseases. Currently, the COVID-19 vaccines circulating in Indonesia are Sinovac, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Moderna, and Sinopharm. Vaccines are needed by everyone, especially for students who are at least 12 years old. The COVID-19 vaccination in Indonesia has been carried out since Wednesday, January 13, 2021. In Central Java, especially the Semarang city area, vaccination as of August 22, 2021 is at 6,522. Quoted from betanews.id, the number of high school students who have been vaccinated in the city of Semarang, namely one senior high school, there are 776 people. Two senior high school is 975 people. Three senior high school is 1,110 people. Four senior high school is 985 people. Five senior high school is 979 people. Nine senior high school is 807 people. 12 senior high school there are 723 people, and St. Louis High School there are 167 people. This figure is relatively slow due to several obstacles in the field. These obstacles include the gradual delivery of vaccines, so that it takes longer. And there are still many people who do not trust vaccines and choose not to be vaccinated. The existence of obstacles in the implementation of vaccination can cause long-term effects that will be bad for students. These effects can be in the form of loss of adaptability in the social environment, difficulty in understanding subject matter, increased laziness, and increased dependence on parents. Other effects can even cause anxiety disorders to stress because the child loses freedom and receives a lot of pressure. Do vaccines are needed by students? Yes, I think vaccines are needed for students because the immune system will increase so that the risk of transmitting COVID-19 will be lower. Another benefit of vaccination is that offline teaching and learning activities can be carried out in stage until the situation improves. In addition, students can also quietly carry out activities without fear of contagion of COVID-19 at school. To overcome this problem, I hope that the government, which is engaged in the education sector, can prioritize vaccination for students who are at least 12 years old. The education sector must ensure that they have thoroughly vaccinated so that offline teaching and learning activities can be resumed immediately. considering the implementation of online school, which have various shortcomings such as material that is difficult to understand, sometimes unstable internet network, and the cost of attending online school via video conference is not cheap. My hope in the future, hopefully, all students in Indonesia, especially in the city of Semarang, can receive vaccination evenly. For this reason, I hope that the government can prioritize vaccination for teacher and student aged 12 to 17 years old. And offline teaching and learning activities can be carried out immediately. So, the conclusion that can be drawn is that vaccines are very important to be able to restore the situation as before, especially in the education sector. Don't forget to get your vaccines and obey the health protocols. Thank you for your attention and see you soon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.